Have you checked your Venmo balance lately, especially after an instant transfer? Because you might have noticed a tiny, yet persistent fee eating into your money, and you need to know exactly what's going on. For years, Venmo has been our go-to for splitting checks, paying roommates, and sending money with just a few taps. It's convenient, it's fast, and most of all, it's made those awkward "you owe me $10" conversations a thing of the past. But while sending money to friends using your Venmo balance or bank account is still free, things change when you need that money out of Venmo, and you need it now. We're talking about the instant transfer feature, the one that bypasses the 1 to 3 business day waiting period of a standard, free bank transfer. For that convenience, Venmo has an instant transfer fee, and this is where the recent updates come in. The fee is currently 1.75% of the amount being transferred. Now, this isn't a new fee, it was actually bumped up to this rate a while back. However, what is crucial to understand are the limits that apply to this percentage. Venmo has a minimum fee and a maximum fee to protect both parties on small and large transfers. The fee structure is 1.75% of the transfer amount, with a minimum fee of 25 cents and a maximum fee of $25. So, what does this mean for you? If you're only transferring a small amount, say $20, 1.75% of that is only 35 cents. You're only paying a small cost for the speed. But here's the catch. The 25-cent minimum fee means even if you only transfer a few dollars, you'll still pay that quarter. On the flip side, if you're cashing out a large amount, like that big payment you just received, the $25 maximum is actually a relief. If you transfer, say, $2,000, 1.75% of that would be $35. But because of the cap, you only pay a flat $25. The bottom line is, the instant transfer fee is an unavoidable cost of speed. If you can wait a few days, the standard transfer is still 100% free. But if you need that money in your bank account in minutes, keep a close eye on your withdrawal amount and know that you will lose a tiny piece of it to the instant transfer fee. This is simply the cost of instant access in the digital world. Keep these numbers in mind every time you tap that instant button. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.